In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix controller drift. So,
Nightmare, get your booty cheeks over here! I have bad controller drift!
I am sorry, I'm doing a tutorial right now, and I'll show you how to do it.
You better get your booty cheeks over here! Screw it, I'm playing Clash of Clans.
Alrighty then, so, grab your controller that has the drift. Jem, go give me a straw, would you?
I hate it whenever Nightmare makes me go get him stuff. He's so selfish. You know what? I'm gonna have to give him his own lesson. Nightmare, I got your straw!
Oh. Right, Neo.
Here we go, you idiot.
Why is it wet?
We don't talk about that. Just put it in your controller holder already, you idiot.
I'm sorry, jeez. Okay. So what you want to do? Stick your... Jem, where's your drifting controller at?
That is my drifting controller, you idiot.
Oh, this is the right one? Okay. So get your straw. Put it right where your drift is and just blow the heck out of it. Just don't stop blowing into this controller until...
Yeah, break your motherboard while you're at it.
Stop it, Jem. Just wait.
Aren't you gonna slam me with your stupid 36 subscribers?
Get your booty face out of my face. Okay. So just blow
Guys,
in the spot where your drift is, and until you're running out of breath, just stop for like a few seconds. Check if you have drift anymore. And if you don't, you're all set. And if you have a drift on your other controller, just do the same thing, and you should be good. You always hate how you're in a quest, and then all of a sudden the drift comes in. You scoot back, and you just die to a goblin, or a Jumbotron bot, or maybe when you're playing Crescendo, you die to a skeleton, a bat, or one of those little... whatever they're called. And it's a whole lot worse in Rec Room than any other game. I can promise you that. So, here's one of the comments right here that say why their drift sucks and junk. And right here is the gameplay of the drift. And I'll put it on the full screen so you can see it a whole lot better.
Going close to you. The stupid controller drift! Oh, I caused it. Yeah, you should.
Freaking controller drift.